Namaskar. Welcome to the world of colors. Today, I'm going to tell you about a problem which is very common nowadays, diabetic neuropathy. Generally, it is happening in the foot region. So, I'll tell you how to deal with that by simple colors. So, the treatment will be done on the foot. I'll show you how to draw the colors, how to apply it. Orange and red color will be used. So let us see. You can see my screen. Keep orange color first. Orange color sketch pen. And draw the line like this. It should be the length of 3 fingers of the patient. Like 3 finger length of the patient. So first we will draw one straight line with orange on both the legs. And then we will take a red color and just beside the orange, draw red color like this. Being inside. So this is how you are going to draw the lines by orange color and red color on both the legs. This treatment is going to help in the diabetic patients who are suffering with diabetic neuropathy. This is also very helpful for those who are suffering with varicose veins. So just apply this, and within 15 days you can tell me how do you feel. So it's a very big issue, and amputation are also being done because of this neuropathy, because gangrene happens. So to avoid this condition, even if you are diabetic and you are feeling some burning sensation or some tingling, it has started, then also you should start applying, so that the severity of that condition will not occur. So thank you. Please do this and share this to anyone who is suffering with diabetes. And please, if you respond to this, how it works, I will be very happy. Thank you very much. Namaskar.